Hey everyone, I'm Gurleen. I hope you're all doing well. The global markets have been trading flat, while our markets have been range bound for quite a few trading sessions now. And in today's video, we'll be taking a quick overview of the same and we'll also discuss the trading plan for Wednesday, that is May 24th, 2023 for Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll also discuss a few select stocks which must be on your watch list for good risk to reward opportunities. So be sure to stick around till the end of the video and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and do ring the notification bell so that you never miss an update. So without any further ado, let's dive in by looking at the technical perspective of Nifty 50 on the daily time frame. So here you can see an overhead supply zone from the level of 18,444, and this happens to be a very strong hurdle for the index. You can also see how Nifty has been consolidating near the same zone for over some time now. Now here another important thing is that you can see this candlestick over here with the long upper wick, which simply means that the price was not able to sustain at the higher levels. So the failure to surpass this zone would drag the index lower towards the moving averages on the daily time frame, which happen to be at the levels of 18,137 to 17,956. So all in all, positional long bets should only be placed as and when Nifty breaks above the overhead resistance zone. That is, when Nifty breaks above the level of 18,444 to 18,470. Well, on the hourly time frame, a harmonic pattern got triggered in Nifty in yesterday's trading session, which I shared on Twitter as well. Now here you can see that after Nifty opened on a gap up basis, it consolidated in the first half of the trading session and thereafter reversed from the harmonic potential reversal zone that we just saw. Now over here you can see that Nifty is trading close to the 2040 EMA on the hourly time frame. So is it going in for a bounce after testing the moving averages, or will the bears take the lead? So now let's see how you can plan your trade. So first of all, it's possible for Nifty to test the downside level of about 18,282, and here if we see any reversal candlestick pattern even on the 15-minute chart, so a scalping opportunity can be looked at on the long side towards the targets of about 18,350 to 18,375. But if Nifty slips through this very level or opens on a gap down basis, then it's likely that a short scalping setup will get triggered below this level of 18,282, and in that case it's probable for Nifty to test the levels of about 18,182. Well, if you're looking to build positional longs, you should probably wait for the overhead supply to get broken out first, which will bring in a more favorable setup for longs. Now let's talk about the support and resistance levels for Nifty. So the support is placed at the levels of 18,282. Now this level of 18,282 is a make or break level for the index, as we just saw while discussing the trading plan, followed by the level of 18,182, whereas the resistance is placed in the zone of 420 to 18,470. Let's take a look at Bank Nifty on the daily time frame first, and then we'll move ahead with discussing the trading plan for tomorrow. So here you can see that Bank Nifty is consolidating near the all-time high levels for over some time and is trading in a narrow range of 43,440 to 44,150. Now on the chart, if you observe, this level of 43,440 is an important level of support. Now below this support level, Bank Nifty might catch onto an aggressive bearish trend. Also on the similar lines, if Bank Nifty has to move on the higher side, the previous lows must be protected, which in this case is the level of 43,440. So more or less, it's possible for Bank Nifty to consolidate within a range before catching onto a trend. And over here in Bank Nifty, the make or break level happens to be the level of 43,440. With that being said, here's the Twitter update from yesterday, wherein you can clearly see that Bank Nifty was consolidating within a contracting patterns, and such patterns are usually trend continuation patterns. So a breakout was anticipated. Now here you can see that Bank Nifty did break out of the pattern, but due to the strong overhead supply from near the all-time high levels, it fell back into the range. Now another interesting development on the hourly chart is that Bank Nifty Nifty traded within an inside bar, and such setups are the simplest to trade. So the intraday trading approach is quite simple. All you have to do is mark the range of the candlestick from 43,860 to 44,095. So if Bank Nifty breaks the low of 43,860 on the downside, then it would call for a shorting opportunity, and an immediate target towards the levels of 43,775 followed by 43,685 would open up. Here, if the bearishness persists and if and only if Bank Nifty breaks below this important support level of 43,440, which otherwise is also the invalidation level for the pattern, then a deeper target towards the lower levels can be seen. Also, long bets should only be placed above the marked zone of 44,095 to 44,150. Now, this move might be parabolic in nature, so make sure to go in with proper risk management in place if at all this setup gets triggered in the upcoming trading sessions. Also, do remember to stick to your trading plan and only trade as and when the setup unfolds. Now, let's talk about the support and resistance levels for Bank Nifty. So, the support is placed at 43,665 followed by 43,440, which is the make and break level for Bank Nifty, and the resistance is placed at 44,095 followed by 44,150. Now let's move to stocks, starting with Kajaria Ceramics. Now here on the weekly chart you can see that the stock was in a continued uptrend, and thereafter the consolidation followed for a period of about 1.5 years, and here you can see a breakout from the consolidation. Now here it's possible for the stock to test the previous highs of about 1375. Also, considering that it is a weekly chart, it's important for the stock to hold above this breakout level of 1208 for the weekly closing. Now here a long entry can be planned either at the breakout of the high of 1282 or at a pullback which would offer a more favorable RR. Now here the invalidation level can be taken as the low of the breakout candle, which happens to be at the level of 1190. Let's talk about Tata Power. So here on the daily chart you can see that Tata Power has been protecting the previous lows as it is continuing the trajectory on the higher side. So a low risk pullback opportunity is brewing up at this counter. So here with the stop loss at the levels of about 200, a long trade can be initiated with the target of about 215 for starters, which happens to be a strong resistance level for the stock. Though once the level is surpassed, an extended target of about 225 can be looked at. So if you have any queries or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. And on that note, it's Gurleen signing off. Until we meet again, have a good time.